Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to talk about Li Auto and how it could be a direct competitor to NIO and Tesla. So, China's latest new energy vehicle producer, Li Auto, has reported amazing sales for its first vehicle, the Li i1 SUV. Li Auto is among a new group of new energy and electric vehicle startups that are emerging as rivals for Tesla in China. Li Auto announced on October 18th that it had delivered more than 20,000 Li 1 SUVs over the past 10 months, the fastest among all local new energy vehicle startups such as NIO, Xpeng, and all of those. According to the data from the China Automotive Technology and Research Center, the Li 1 ranked first in the new energy SUV segment. The Li 1 had 3,830 insurance registration last month, surpassing the NIO ES6 and Tesla Model X, while total insurance registration for the first 9 months of 2020 reached 18,722 units. NIO delivered 3,210 of its ES6 SUVs in September, so you can already see that the Li1 is already outperforming the ES6 model for NIO. So let's now take a look at Li Auto's chart and see. Let's just break that down from a technical standpoint. Alright, so as you can see, they IPO'd similar to Xpeng back in the beginning of August, end of July, and then they IPO'd around, what was that, 1548, and you can see we're already at 3549. It has a similar chart to Xpeng and NIO just because they're in the same sector. But as you can take a look, we have been on this parabolic move up, and let's take a look at their earnings. As you can see, they didn't beat earnings, they were actually down on earnings, but that's expected. But even though they didn't beat it, look, we still had this huge surge up. So that's why I was talking about don't play earnings because it could go either way. Now, something to take note right now on the 4-hour chart, we have this once again pennant play happening now. So we're making higher lows, but we're also making lower highs. So this is something I would be taking a look out on if I were to get in this trade. So these pennant plays they normally typically either break up or down. It just really matters. It can go either way, unlike ascending triangles we have where they break up normally, but this one can break either up or down. Now, if you're playing this with hopes it breaking up, which most of you probably are, then let's get out our tool and let's do some type of position. So if we were to get in right now at 35.52, my stop loss would be right here at this wick, and my take profit would be near all-time high. So this is how I've structured my trade. If I were to get in right now, I'd get in at 35.49, and then I'd tag out right here at 34.48, just because if we get below that wick, we're most likely heading back into the downtrend. Now let's take a look at some key levels to where we could potentially buy if it does break that pattern. I'll be looking at this area right here, the 31.41 area, just because we had that huge push up. We kind of stalled right here, and then we acted that as a support several times. When we pulled back, this was a good support area, and it pushed right back up. So that's the first area of concern I would be looking at. The second area would be much lower, and I'd probably look to get in around this area right here, which is 26.40. So if we have this first initial pullback, I'd like to see how it reacts around this level. If we do get a little burst up, or if we just fall right through that level, then we're most likely coming back down to here. Now let's look at the 15-minute and see what type of intraday moves we had today. So today's the 18th, so we opened up right here. As you can see, we gapped down, we had some morning consolidation, and we pretty much uptrended throughout the whole day, and we kind of died off at the end. So going into the session tomorrow, if I was bullish on LI, I want to see it get above this price point right here. So the $37. If we can get above that, then we're most likely heading toward all-time highs once again. But like I said, I'd keep your stop losses tight because anything can happen. And when you're taking trades like this, you need to have some type of plan. So another unique thing that I would like to talk about with the Li1 is that it allows drivers to charge the battery pack with electricity or gas, and is attracting interest from Chinese consumers. Although the Li1 is powered by its electric motors when cruising, the energy source for the electric motors comes from both its battery pack and range extension system that includes a dedicated 1.2-liter turbocharged internal combustion gas engine and a 100 kilowatt electric generator, a component called a speed reducer used to connect the two power sources together. So the new energy vehicle startup will continue to develop new SUV models, including a full-size premium electric SUV that will arrive in 2022. So right now the range for the Li1 is around 500 miles, which is huge. That's a lot for an SUV, especially an electric SUV. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to go over a new competitor that has emerged in the Chinese market could potentially be a direct competitor with NIO and Tesla already with these amazing numbers that they're putting out. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos like this. See you in the next one.